Welcome back to my channel. You guys already know who it is. It's your girl Meghan Drexel, back with another video for you guys today. I know today's introduction is a little weird. Usually I have a full face of makeup on, but today's video is going to be slightly different. I just wanted to do a clean with me. I don't know if I'm going to get to a declutter today because I really do need to go through my makeup stash and get rid of and donate some makeup because I am just overflowing with makeup, and I know that sounds ridiculous and almost like I'm bragging, but I swear to you I'm not. It's just there's so many products coming out, and trying to keep up with everything can be a little overwhelming sometimes here in the YouTube space. So I just wanted to kind of do something a little bit different, kind of show you guys my setup, what I have going on. I'm going to show you guys a before and after. Obviously I'm going to actually just clean my whole beauty room, and then kind of give you guys like a look at what's going on in my beauty room in terms of storage and how I have my desk and my vanity and all that set up. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. And I just kind of want to show you guys what's going on. So this obviously is like my laptop, everything, but that's not what she says. It's because we're filming. Don't judge me. I'm not trying to throw away my laptop, even though she's crusty, dusty, and old as hell. So I just need to clean this. I actually took out my gold rack that you guys usually see in my background, and I actually replaced it with some bookshelves, and I'm gonna find a home for this little plant. My plan is to put it right here, or possibly even right here, and then hide the trash can in this corner. I did also get some artwork that I need to get a few more pieces that I'm going to frame as well. And these two artworks are from IKEA, as well as the gold frames. And the reason that I did this is because I needed somewhere to store my accessories. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm such an accessory freak. So I actually found this lady on YouTube. I'm going to link her video down below. And she did this really cute DIY, and what she did was put a bunch of bookshelf like shelves really close together, and then I just got these jewelry trays from Michael's and kind of did like a do-it-yourself accessory storage, if you will. And then of course I just kind of decorated the top and whatnot. I need to go through that laundry as well. And then I did also purchase a few things from Tuesday Morning recently that are for my vanity as well as for up here, so I will kind of show you guys once I get there. And then these bins are for when I organize my makeup, so that way I have somewhere to store my freelancing makeup, just kind of like the overflow that I use for freelance here and there. You know, everybody wants a different makeup look, so I gotta keep things on deck. And I also need to steam my curtains. We're not going to do that today because I'm hot as hell. And then that is, what's up, little Michelada? It's Sundays. You guys know what that means. Cleaning and some little relaxation, you know what I'm saying? But this is my desk that I use for school and for editing and for anything else. And then this is just my vanity, which you guys can see is very loved, used, and abused at the moment. And then you guys can see like my school bag and my clothes and everything is just kind of like everywhere. I'm not even going to get into the closet in this video. At least I don't think I am. That's not part of the plan, but who knows. You guys kind of know, like, once you get on that cleaning spree, everything just kind of goes up in flames and you can't stop cleaning. That's kind of how I get on a regular basis when I start cleaning. I need to put away, I know, don't judge me. There's stuff everywhere, okay? It just needs a lot of TLC. And I'm going to speed it up for you guys so that way, you know, it's not like all in slow motion. I want to do a video called Shop My Stash, so we'll see about that in the near future. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get to cleaning, shall we? lastly, I wanted to show you guys these things I got from Tuesday Morning, and I thought that they were so cute to hold my brushes for my vanity, because I feel like I don't have anywhere to really like display my brushes. So I was thinking maybe like right there would be super cute. Okay, so you see my little hand back there? What is this? What is that? Anyways, we're done here with the vanity for the most part. Cleaned it all up. If you guys are wondering what I'm listening to, Thank You Next. Ariana Grande album is lit. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to move over to my desk side. Don't know when it stopped filming, so let me just kind of run you guys through what I did really quick. I just went ahead and all over here in this corner, I went ahead and put away all my key sunglasses, and then this mirror right here I actually put up from Tuesday Morning, and I absolutely love it. I think it's really, really cute, and as you guys can see, it was only $12.99 because, you know, everything up in this room is affordable, honey. I also went ahead and I added a plant right there in the corner. I don't like how it's just sitting there in the corner, so I think in the future I'm going to look for something to bring it up. So I'm just going to show you guys how I actually set this up. So as you guys can see, all my sunglasses are here up at top. And then I have some really cute necklaces on the necklace stand. And then down there, I kind of have like miscellaneous items at the very bottom. I'll show you guys. These are like my bigger necklaces or just like overflow. Like this is a really big bulky silver necklace, kind of Coachella theme, but it doesn't fit anywhere really except for there. So I just put some extra items down in there. Then I got this guy right here for my watches, and actually put that back. And then I also like to put my bracelets in there as well. So here I have my rings, so I'm just going to put these away really quick. I'll probably speed through this so I don't bore the shit out of you guys. Then here I have my studs, so I'm just going to go ahead and place my studs in there. Here I have a different tray full of gold hoops. I just got some really cute ones from Windsor recently. So I got those guys to add in there. So I'll probably throw these actually right here because those look similar. And then I'm just going to place these for now on the side. Lastly, so I like to clasp my necklaces together. I like to close their clasp first. They need a cleaning so bad. And then here I have them divided. So here you'll see more of like my chokers and whatnot, and a little bit of my personalized jewelry. So these little guys actually pop up. Put that on there, close that. And then this is an M, so because it's a longer chain, I like to double them. So I'll double it like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll double it something like this. And then I'll put it, I think I have this right here. So I'm going to put this doubled up one, because sometimes the charms are hard to see, and I'll put it in there. And then this is my other tray of gold necklaces. And go ahead, put that there. So that was my do-it-yourself little quick tidbit on how I store my jewelry. You know, guys, so that is gonna wrap up today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this clean slash organized with me video. It was just a quick little something to get back into the groove of filming. I know I've been gone for a while. A video on as to why I've been gone for such a long time actually will be on its way as well. So I just wanted to go ahead and say thank you for watching. I hope that you guys have clicked that subscribe button as well as that bell notification. That way I can always slide into your guys' DMs when I got some hot new shit online. And as always, Glam Fam, I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.